Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anbar Syafa Marwa from class regular 4A, and here I will to explain or express what my own opinion about education during a pandemic. Online learning seems familiar. Online learning has been started since March 2020. The learning process, which was originally face-to-face, became distance learning, which required the use of internet connectivity service. Thus, distance learning is expected to be the right situation in the current pandemic situation to break the COVID-19 chains. The COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia is part of a ongoing 2019 coronavirus disease pandemic worldwide. Online learning has positive and negative sides that go hand in hand. This will have consequence for how effective online learning is during the COVID-19 pandemic. There are some who agree that online learning is effective because of current pandemic situation, and some others disagree because there are several aspects that do not support online learning. But in my own opinion, education during this pandemic is not effective because especially for elementary school children, they will find it difficult to understand lesson taught by teachers at school. Most school children still find it difficult to understand, especially when schools are closed and learning is forced to go online. This change in learning makes it a little difficult for students adopt. Not only elementary school children, but also their high school children have difficult in his online learning method. The number of quotas that must be spent by students for this learning. Indeed, learning rarely use Zoom, but most using application such as having to watch video on YouTube, teacher's room, or classroom, and they sometimes like to complain that their quota runs out quickly. Many students also complain, especially in mathematics, because it's very difficult. Indeed, an explanation video is given, but sometimes it is different from what is given, and that makes students a little confused what to do. Some teachers also say that online grades are not great because students can get good grades thanks to the help of their parents or their parents working on it. Students also spend a lot of time playing games rather than doing their assessment. Difficult in online learning, also high school students have difficult. I received a lot of complaints from my friends that there are high school students. The teachers only give students a lot of material or assessment, so the students learn, but many complain that when they want to take the exam, they don't have any material. There are also obstacles for students to learn, namely the constraint of a good network. In the world of lectures or university, online learning at each university applies different forms and technique. As for the output, there are also many students who feel they don't understand the material, have more independent assessment, and have difficult doing practicum as support course. Practicum conduct online sometimes cannot be practiced at home due to limited tools and experimental sample. The same problem faced is often constrained by poor networks in learning, such as blackouts, running out of quotas, rain, and others, making learning less understanding, and the amount of spending for quotas is increasing. Lectures are also more difficult to supervise students during online learning because it is limited to the media. So there may be students who fall asleep when the lectures delivers material, or students just leave it to be present but they are not listen to the lecture. This online learning is quite difficult because they feel that the learning material is not fully conveyed. Not only that, sometimes an internet connection that is not good enough really interfere with the online learning process. I also feel that online learning is currently not fun, and indeed, there are teachers who say that online learning is not the same as offline learning, which is more effective and superior. However, I understand that we must reflect that it is through online learning that we support the government so that the COVID-19 or coronavirus can be controlled and resolved quickly. Therefore, students must take advantage of this online learning as well as possible using the learning media that have been determined. I think that's all. That's all my own opinion about education during a pandemic. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.